In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Microsoft Outlook not opening on Windows 10. We know how frustrating technical glitches can be, especially when they disrupt your day-to-day tasks. So, whether you're trying to access important emails or get on with your schedule, this guide will help you sort out the problem quickly and effectively. First up, we'll begin by opening the control panel on your computer. To do that, just head over to your Start menu, which is at the bottom left of your screen, and type in Control Panel. You should see it pop up in the list of search results. Go ahead and select it to open. Once the control panel window is open, you need to find the Programs section, which is conveniently labeled as Programs and Features. Click on this option to proceed. This section allows you to manage programs installed on your computer, and it's where you'll find the tools needed for our fix today. Now, we need to identify Microsoft 365 in the list of installed programs. Go ahead and scroll through until you spot Microsoft 365. Once you find it, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. From the context menu, you'll want to select Change. This might sound a bit too technical, but don't worry. It's quite straightforward. By selecting Change Variate, you're essentially telling your computer that you want to modify the program, or in our case, initiate a repair. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of options regarding how you want to proceed. Here, you need to choose Quick Repair. A quick repair is an efficient way to fix common issues with Microsoft 365, including misbehaving apps like Outlook. It's a quick, automated process that doesn't require an internet connection. Once you've selected Quick Repair, click the Repair button. This will start the repair process. The repair tool will work its magic to sort out any underlying issues, and it should only take a few minutes. During this time, it's best not to use Outlook or other Microsoft 365 applications, ensuring the repair runs smoothly and without interruptions. When the process is finished, you should see a notification indicating that the repair was successful. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Open Outlook to check if the problem is resolved. It should start up without any of the previous issues. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to get Microsoft Outlook up and running again. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're back to accessing your emails without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.